Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to talk about in a little detail about the session timeouts. So these session timeouts are available in system setup and the server configuration performance section. So they basically manage the system server performance. One thing is that there are concurrent sessions. So what essentially they basically work in combination with these working settings. So these are working settings are RAM work percentage. So how much RAM is being consumed. So what happens is when a session maximum timeout happens and click close that particular session. But if it hasn't reached there, but it has consumed 70% of the RAM or whatever number is here, it's gonna see that what possible session it can close, which have reached to the maximum timeout or they have reached the maximum limit. And when it is high, it's gonna go and look at any possible session it can kill, so that the system get not choked. Now looking at these settings, we have by default it is 1800. I think it's also by default 1800 seconds, which is like 30 minutes. This is a default setting we have available here, but these settings are also available in other area in document. So if I go in here in performance, I have these settings in here available as well. So now with setting in other case of these settings, it has to be available, in order setting to work it has to be available, but in this case it's the time which can conflict. So it can be low, let's say I put this time like 1000 seconds. Okay, so what's gonna prevail? So the lower number is gonna prevail. So if the higher number is at the universal level and the lower number is the document level, so the lower number is gonna prevail. And same even if I put, let's say 900 here, so now 900 is gonna take the precedent. So the lower number is gonna prevail. It's gonna use that particular setting. So that's it for the session timeouts and session times.